This is where I want you to be. Yeah. I love you in by me, baby. You make my whole life free. I want you in my life for a time. La 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 la. Caught up in the rapture of love. Nothing else could compare when I feel the magic of you. Feelings always new. We stand side by side till the storm of life passes by. Like my life, oh my heart. Say tonight will be just the start. Yeah, and I want you here by me, baby. You make my whole life free. And I want you in my life. Oh, time. Oh, yeah. Let's take a walk together near the ocean shore. Hand in hand, you and I. Let's cherish every moment that we have been given. The time is passing by. 'Cause I often pray before I lay down by your side. And if you receive your calling before I wake, can I make it through the night and cherish the love you the test of time. This life that we're living needs to be seen. Would you be by my side? 'Cause I often pray before I lay down by your side. And if you receive your calling before I wake, can I make it through the night and cherish the love you have? We should cherish the life we live. Cherish the love, cherish the love, cherish the love. Yeah. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Stand up, stand up, na 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 na. Let's take a walk together near the ocean shore, hand in hand in the sky.
You have to be the one. You are the one. Oh, the Judah Macaroni. She's the sweetest little girl. You should treat her right, feel nice and hold her tight. Only tenderoni can give you special love. Special kind of love that makes you feel good inside. 'Cause if you believe in love and all that it can do for you, give it a chance, girl. You'll find romance. And if you can find a tenderoni that is right for you, make it official. Give me your love. 'Cause my heart belongs to tenderoni. She's my only love. My heart belongs to tenderoni. She's my only love. She's the girl for me. She's the girl for me. Tenderoni. But you're about to Roni. She's always on the phone, talking to her own boy, wishing they were all alone. So send me love letters with the smell of sweet perfume. This is what a real tenderoni like to do for you. 'Cause if you believe in love and all that it can do for you, give it a chance, girl. You'll find romance. And if you can find a tenderoni that is right for you, make it official. Give her your love. 'Cause my heart belongs to tenderoni. She's my only love. She's the girl for me. She's the girl for me.
Last night was the worst night, beginning of the end. Maybe it began beforehand. Here we go again. Things got so dramatic. Things got out of hand. We see the words we couldn't imagine. I don't understand. Oh, there you go with the same old thing. When things go wrong, you always seem to blame me. When now I'd like to find what secrets hide in your mind. Where the end will go, will I ever know? Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. the best night. Time for second chance. Turn the beat up on repeat and we could start to dance. Sometimes when we're talking, words get drowned by the sound. Let's get back to touching, baby, back on solid ground. Oh, let's hold hands like the young romance. Let's first kiss like moments when we first met. Can we make love like way back in the day?
It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you. But it's just the feel within me when you touch my hand, and a fear that shakes my body, and I don't understand, so I'm leaving. This time I'm playing it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love before love breaks my you're clinging to me tight. What we have is something special. To you I'll give my all and all. My love is unconditional. Good things come to those who wait. I know your love was worth the wait. My life is complete. Now I found you. No need to search no more. I found what I'm looking for. We've got the real thing, baby. In you I have no doubts. This is what it's all about. We've got the real thing, baby. The way I feel, you're the reason. 'Cause what we have will last through all seasons. Good things come to those who wait. I know your love was worth the wait. My life is complete. Now I found you. No need to search no more. I found what I'm looking for. We've got the real thing, baby. In you I have no doubts. This is what it's all about. We've got the real thing, baby. Oh, so real. Oh yeah, oh real. Oh real, so real.
Ay, ay.
I may be a liar sometimes, but when it comes to loving you, you know I can't pretend. You have given me all you've got, but most of the time I would selfishly pretend. Have you ever cared about someone, baby, and know that a person really cares about you? Have you ever loved anyone and know that that someone really, really loves you? If not, baby, here I am. You can take my hand and I'll marry you. Oh God. If not, baby, stare me in the eye. You'll see it's no surprise. It's all about you. Oh girl, I promise I will be faithful and true when it comes to loving you. Oh yeah. There's no word that I can use to express myself of gratitude. If you would say I do, then I promise you, baby, I'll always be true. No matter the price I have to pay, I'll pay it all for you, lady. If you say, here I am, you can take my hands and I'll marry you. Oh God. Baby, if you stare me in my eyes, you'll see it's no surprise. It's all about you. I would like you to hear me, baby. Oh yeah.
It's all about you. LA's fine sunshine most of the time, and the feeling is laid back. Palm tree grove, rent so low, don't you know? But I keep working my way back. But I'm a Jamaican boy who's born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York is home, but it ain't mine no more. I am myself to no one there, and no one heard at all, not even the chant. I am my pride. I am said and I am lost, and I can't even say why. Leaving me lonely still. Did you read about a frog who dreamed of being a king? And they all became one, except for the name. A few other changes. You talk about me, the story is the same one. But I've got this emptiness deep inside, and it won't let me go. And I'm a man who don't like to swear, but I hate the sound of being alone. I am myself to no one there.
For behold, the man who knoweth right from wrong, the man knoweth truth. Yeah, man. Good Lord, you have answered my prayer. from all strains and misery. You have lifted me up, oh, and put me higher from all sins and misery. And born again, ooh, I'm free from sin. Oh boy, I'm born again. At last, I'm free from sin. Ooh. Listen, verily, verily, they say, except a man but born of the water, he cannot see the kingdom of God. So they say, if you want to be washed in the spirit and the blood from all sins, believe me, you can be overcome and be born again. Ooh, and be free from sins. Oh Lord, good Lord, I'm born again. Ooh, I'm free from sin. Oh, play it for me. Good Lord. Oh boy. Oh boy. Blessed is the man who walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly. Oh Lord. So you may ask the question, how to be born again, and I will say you have to feel it deep within. I'm born of the water, the spirit and the blood. From all sins I've overcome. I'm born again. Good Lord, I'm free from sin. Oh boy, I'm born again.
Hold on to your love. Got to hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, my first mistake was I wanted too much time. I had to have you morning, noon, or night. If I would have known then the things that I know now, I might not have lost the time I complain about. Don't waste your time fighting life by the cause of despair. Hold on to your love. You've got to hold on. Hold on to your lover. The art of playing games now, it's not the heart you break, it's the good love you make when your heart's on fire. Hold on to your love. Got to hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, my first mistake was I wanted too much time. I had to have you morning, noon, or night. If I would have known then the things that I know now, I might not have lost the time I complain about. Don't waste your time fighting life by the cause of despair. Hold on to your love. You've got to hold on. Hold on to your love. The art of playing games now, it's not the heart you break, it's the good love you make when your heart's on fire. Give her love every day. Remember she needs space. Be patient and she'll give her heart to waste your time fighting life by the cause of despair. The saddest day of my life. The saddest day of my life. The saddest day of my life. Yes, the saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. Yes, try to erase all the memories. They're the ones that haunt me. If I could forget all about the past, how long will this go on? The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. I wish that my thoughts could rewind the hands of time. Then we will be so happy. But what if my dreams never meant to be? Then I'll be living in misery. Girl, the saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling one day at a time.
Honey, I know you've asked me many times, well, if I never thought of leaving you for someone else. Guess you just don't see. You mean the world to me. Never gonna hurt you, my dear. Honey, when I hear you say that I don't need you, and I'm half the man or woman without you here by my side, and I'm proud of you honestly. So how do we know from day to day the sun is gonna rise? Let's take love one day at a time. Baby, don't worry, it's gonna be alright. Let's take love one day at a time. Baby, don't worry, it's gonna be alright. Honey, my love grows deeper than physical reason, and all knows that I still see doubts all over your face. Is my necessary to feel that way, babe? 'Cause love is forever, but nobody knows what tomorrow brings. Live for a day. Let's take love one day at a time. Baby, don't worry, it's gonna be alright. Let's take love one day at a time. Talk to you, but it's not the same as touching you. And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. We'll be together, and it won't be long. It won't be long, but it seems like forever. Yeah, and it's hard on my own, baby, 'cause I miss
be holding you. I was much stronger. How could I know? How could I know? But it seems like forever, and it's hard to be strong, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now, and it's driving me crazy. I mean,
I'm jealous, you jealous, you jealous, you jealous, you jealous. Yeah, too much jealousy. That's what driving her crazy, crazy. Too much jealousy that causing disturbance. Yeah, too much jealousy cause if he start to fight over me, over me. Too much jealousy as far as I can see. Hey, she don't want me to be alone, no way, all by myself. She think I will be going on to stay with someone else. And if she see me going down the lane, she just keep on knocking my brain. People scandalizing my name, but I won't bear the name without playing the game. Too much jealousy, that's what's driving her crazy, crazy. Too much jealousy that causing disturbance. Yeah, too much jealousy cause if he start to fight over me, over me. Too much jealousy as far as I can see. Hey, she wanna be by my side to everywhere that I go, as he or she is my guide to take me places that I don't know. She said that I'm her only man and I must be her only one. No matter what she is telling me, a woman can't do what a man do and be a lady. Too much jealousy, that's what's driving her crazy, crazy. Too much jealousy, that's causing disturbance. Yeah, too much jealousy, cause if he start to fight over me, over me. Too much jealousy as far as I can see. Hey, don't be too shy. Hey, look right in my eye. Come out of the dark and come into the light. Don't be illiterate, be impolite. Come out of the dark and come into the light. I never see you a day, I only glimpse you one night. Don't you feel ashamed for us to play the game? You looking qualified for me to make you satisfied. As long as you said yes, I will put you to the test. And if you can pass, then you will be the student of my class. Come out of the dark and come into the light. Don't be illiterate, be impolite. Come out of the dark and come into the light. I never see you one day, I only glimpse you one night. Girls without the respect, me no chat to them. Girls without pride, me no keep them friend. If them too chatty, me no chat to them. If them too watchy, me no keep them friend. Come out of the dark and come into the light. Don't be illiterate, be impolite. Come out of the dark and come into the light. I never see you one day, I only glimpse you one night. Yeah. Look right in my eye instead of acting shy. Look right in my eye, my baby, oh my.
don't try to diss me, girl. You're not the only one in this world. I have my rights to pick and choose. Don't believe I have nothing to lose. You are the woman, I am the man. But you fail to understand that I'm not like the other guy you met. You break their heart and leave them to fret. I will do things you don't expect if you try to disrespect. That all good things come to an end. I'm gonna leave you with a broken heart that cannot be mended. So don't try to diss me, girl. You're not the only one in this world. I have my rights to pick and choose. Don't believe I have nothing to lose. You lost your shame, you lost your pride. You want to take every man for a ride. I heard you down the avenue with people business so. Now that you changed from bad to worse, you wasn't behaving like this at first. So don't try to diss me, girl. You're not the only one in this world. I have my choice to pick and choose. Don't believe I have nothing to lose. So don't try to diss me, girl. You're not the only one in this world. I have my choice to pick and choose. So don't believe I have nothing to lose. Oh, 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 oh. Down, down. You telling people that I have you under bandage, and you just can't get no privilege. You want to do things which is not right, like stay out on the street until broad daylight. So don't try to diss me, girl. You're not the only one in this world. I have my rights to pick and choose. Don't believe I have nothing to lose.
Yeah. Woman is a trouble to a man when Friday evening come. Yeah. All what they on them mind is the bugle and some. Oh gosh, woman is a trouble to a man on Friday evening. Oh, all what they on them mind is the bugle and some. Yeah, but I'm sorry to say I don't get no pay. Can't find a boss, it seems like a commerce. Couldn't even find fare to reach here. Me have to jump on a bus and it costs a fuss. Enough excitement, enough embarrassment. Conductor take me up and some people start laugh. Woman is a trouble to a man when Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on their mind is a bugle and some. Oh gosh, I say woman is a trouble to a man when Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on their mind is a bugle and some. Oh, no bother you go grumble or get miserable. Satisfied with what you have, because I'm an go on rob. No, it's a bit too red eye. You can't satisfy watching your friends and company, and every day you come and hug me. Woman is a trouble to a man on Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on them mind is a bugle and sound. Whoa, I say woman is a trouble to a man on Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on them mind is a bugle and sound. Whoa,
oh love, talking about love. Love is not a piece of paper that you can dump, burn, or just throw away. Love makes me wanna say, love, love, every day. Oh yeah, love is not a piece of paper that you can just throw away. No, love makes me wanna love. In everywhere. Oh yeah, love is a wonderful feeling. Though sometimes it makes me feel like a puppet on a string. Love
is so appealing. When you go, love makes you wanna come again. Love is not a piece of paper.
Remember, if you give a man a fish, you only feed him for a night. Teach him how to fish and you could feed him for his life. One and watch the other, I said that is no lie. Don't expect no gifts to come falling from the sky. You have to work for your money, money. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, and please don't be lazy. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, and please don't be by the hook, not the cook, the pit or the ditch. Remember that your life is what you make it. Some people work while others neglect. So rich and poor will always exist. The heights of great men that were rich and kept were not attained by sudden flight. They while their companions sleep, were tiling up what through the night. You give a man a fish, you only feed him for a night. Teach him how to fish and you could feed him for his life. One and watch the other, I said that is no lie. Don't expect no gifts to come falling from the sky. You want to work for your money, money. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, and please don't be lazy. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, and please don't be. Life is not a bed of roses, so strike the hard wall. To work for my money, I'll be ready when you call. Every worker is a father, the work is his child. Choose the project that you love and you will work with a smile. You're self-employed or an employee. Put your shoulder to the wheel and work for the money, yeah. Give a man a fish, you only feed him for a night. Teach him how to fish and you could feed him for his life. One and watch the other, I said that is no lie. Don't expect no gifts to come falling from the sky. You have to work for your money, money. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, and please don't be lazy. Work for your money, money. Work for your money, money.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The heavens declare the glory of Jah. The firmament showeth its handiworks. Day unto day, not the uttereth of speech. Night unto night, showeth knowledge. There is no voice that is not heard. Love of Jah in your soul. Eden's better dress back. He didn't have to dress back, yeah. He didn't better go. He didn't have to go. Not one of my seed shall suffer nor beg bread. Jah will be with them always, yeah, yeah. Righteousness exalted a nation. So Jah, mankind, do your best. Heathens have to dress back. Heathens have to step back, yeah, yeah. Heathen have to go. Heathens have to go. Render your hearts and not your garments, so your days will be long on the land. Check for the children every time. They'll be the one to carry on. So Eden better dress back. Eden's have to step back, yeah. Eden's have to dress back.
Now that you got my love, what you gonna do with me? Now that you got every little part of me, are you gonna love me? Knew you were a heartbreaker when we met. What else could I do but play hard again. You wouldn't take no for an answer. Kept on trying. You got the prize, boy. What you gonna do now? 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 What you gonna do? That you got my love. Tell me what you gonna do with me. Now that you got every little part of me, are you gonna love me? Say you wanna settle down, stop roaming the town. Tell me something new, boy. Something I can believe. I know all the games you play, my baby. This time be real, tell me what you gonna do.
My baby, my baby. Hey, girl, you're telling everybody that you're glad you're gone. Do you tell them how you cry whenever you're all alone? We both know for us there will never, never be another. So forget your foolish pride and let's get back together. Who cares who's right or wrong? Right or wrong, I just know I need you, and by your side that's where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I've been missing you. Yeah, yeah. Baby, if you take me back, people may call you a fool. Deep down in your heart, you miss me as I miss you. The only thing you try to do is making two hearts suffer. The only thing you try to do is making two hearts suffer. Who cares who is right or wrong? Right or wrong, I just know I need you, and by your side is where I belong. And do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I've been missing you. Yeah, yeah.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Every little thing, they are town, they are town. Welcome to Kingston Town, Town. Every little thing, they are town, they are town. Welcome to Kingston Town. Town. War I want some now go down there. Stone a fling and fire upon there. Mount a Massey and Tita plan there. Careful what you tell the dancer. It's all about the money and the merchandise. It's a pirate's paradise. Check the ancient history, the good old Kingston City. Every little thing, their town, their town. Welcome to King. town. No respect if you're born under the clock. You come from country, you have the city lock. Enough war I want for the Kingston Rock. Who rules the airport and who rules the dock? Got to have love and humility. Show respect for humanity. We all are one, so we all must be free. And Jaja will give you the key to the city. Every little thing, their town, their town. Welcome to Kingston Town, Kingston Town. Every little thing, their town, their town. Welcome to Kingston Town, Kingston Town.
Sanchez.
Oh Lord above, Lord, hear my plead and help me, please, to keep and care, just to keep and care that you've sent for me, so pure and free. 'Cause things I used to do, girl, I do them no more. And let me tell you, places I used to go, I go there no more. Baby, girl, for you, I rearrange my life. Baby, won't you just please give me a smile? Give me a
Is it my turn to be sure again? I didn't dream you when you're not sleeping. Is it my turn, the fiction of my world? Even imagine your emotions, tell myself anything. Yeah, baby. Is it my turn to hear my words? Tell you I love you when you're not near me. Is it my turn to totally understand, to watch you walk out of my life and I don't do a damn thing? Yes, if I could give away the feeling that I feel, if I could sacrifice whatever, baby, whatever, baby. If I could take apart all that I am, for anything that I wouldn't do. Some things can really turn around.